Here we are at 411 Trimble in Brookhaven, and we wanted to start this video off, as with most of our videos, with a little bit of drone footage and flying around. So that is one of the best shots showing off the size of that backyard, and then we pop right up and show you the Commodore Barry Bridge and letting you know that you are not that far from 95, so it's a very easy commute any way or any direction you go into. And then also the corner property, you know, it is much larger than the outside looks. Being a split level, it really does have a lot of rooms inside and a lot of functionality. So now we're just going to spin around, you know, show that off a little bit more, fly right into the house, and then we're going to get you started on the boots on the ground.
All right, here we are, 411 Trimble in Brookhaven. This is a corner lot. Just going to spin you around to show you how much sidewalk you actually have here. It's a ton. So big space there, but with that comes the garage, the additional parking here. I'll just give you a quick, you know, tour around the whole outside before I freeze, and then we'll get inside. So nice with the gates here. We have it opened up, additional parking here, a little bit of an oasis here for the kiddos, what we got going on in the backyard, and we'll see, you know, what stays. But you have a patio, that's definitely staying. We'll figure out the furniture at a later date. A shed, and then I'm just gonna spin you around. Plenty of space they utilized here with the fire pit. I gotta tell you, it goes all the way around. So this corner lot comes with the benefit of really a big yard. It's deceiving. Technically a walkout basement, right where the laundry room is. There's the AC, and completely private and fenced in for pets or kiddos or whatever you got going on. So that is the outside. Gonna cover all, like I said, 360 degrees, just barely. And there we go. We are around to the other side without getting caught. There you go. So now we'll just head on inside, warm up, and show you all that 411 Trimble has to offer. Really nice shot right there. Looking forward to spring. It's split levels, as always. You see any of these videos that I put out, they're deceiving. There's a lot of space in here. So as soon as we get inside, make sure there's the door. Keep it warm. You got the hardwood floors and just a big living room as I tuck into the corner to show it to you. Notice the windows. That's a nice bay window there, more or less. And this is massive. Really like how they have it decorated. So this is the main level. Upstairs, you're gonna have 3-bedroom and the 1 bath. But here's your kitchen dining room combination setup. So as you can see, you have a true dine-in kitchen. Plenty of room for that table. And look at this. Beautiful gas cooking. I'll spin you around. And look at that. I'm just impressed. I really do love when you can eat in the kitchen, and most of them will have, you know, a little nook or just a countertop. But this works perfectly. So we're gonna head upstairs before we venture downstairs. Up we go. You can see the hardwood floors continue. We'll walk right back here, bedroom number 1. Looking like the primary. Beautifully decorated. Looking out to the front of the house. You can see the windows. There you are. So there's the closet space. We'll venture into bedroom number 2. Awesome the way this one's painted. And again, the lighter hardwood floors, hopefully you can see that and understand what they look like. Then we'll just shoot right across to bedroom number 3. I like it. Also looking at the front, so plenty of space in this one for the 3rd bedroom. And across here, we're going to have the bathroom. So the main full bath. There you are. I'll just pull this across here. Appears to be the original tiles. Everything nice, neat, and clean. And then this is a decent vantage point of the backyard. So you can see that backyard oasis, as I've been calling it. Back you away there, show you the elbow room. And then here is the linen closet, as well as very interesting part with all these split levels. You have these steps and a lot of storage. So I'm gonna venture up here, and spoiler alert, there's a crawl space too. So you have space here, and then we can even go up here, and you have tons of storage space. Now some of these, if someone needs even more living space, They have raised the roof over the years and, you know, really made that work. But as far as storage, this is impressive. Because again, the split levels, in my opinion, don't appear that large, but they are. They really do have a lot of space. All right, we'll bring you back down to the main level. There we are. Spin you around back into the kitchen, and then we're gonna head down to the lower level. So the lower level has the garage, more or less an additional living space, a den, a family room. Someone could turn this into a bedroom if they really wanted to. It's gonna be the crawl space. I'm gonna venture in there as well. Here's the laundry room. Plenty of storage above. There's your panel. And you can look right out the backyard. So there is that patio, the shed, and the lovely backyard. As I mentioned, here's the half bath. Most things in here are updated. So this is what I want to show you. Those doors right there, we're going to venture in there because that's where your HVAC is. Hopefully the kitty cat's not here. There you are. So you can see all that nice and neat right now. Plenty of storage. And feel free to venture in there. I did get some shots too. Now, this is the garage. So to the right, you can see pretty much a workbench. Plenty of storage there. Water equipment. They're back in this corner. And this is a big one-car garage. So if a car comes in here, you actually do probably pull to where that refrigerator is, and you will still have this space. You know, as long as you don't have a super long car. But that's the rundown. That is the inside. Making sure we didn't leave any stone unturned here. Got one more shot here. Venture upstairs. And tell you what, we are now gonna head back out and take to the skies. So here we go.